Do you want to build a loyal audience that will support your music, buy tickets to your shows, and wear your merch? Starting March 1st, I challenge you to start creating a consistent piece of content on a weekly basis and joining me on the first 90 challenge. And to my promoters and talent buyers out there, this is for you too. Over the years and through my thousands of hours of listening to podcasts, reading books, blogs, watching videos, and interviewing guests for this podcast, I've become a very firm believer on the concept of creating content and focusing on building media companies. The best brands out there are the brands that are focused on building media companies. One of my inspirations for the podcast was reading the book Content Inc. by Joe Pulizzi. Recently, I interviewed marketing and social media strategist Mark Schaefer, who wrote the book called Known. Also, if you listen to the podcast regularly, you'll hear me laugh and smile even right now, or I call it the drinking game when I mention Gary Vaynerchuk. These three leaders have really opened me up to the idea of content marketing, and each of them have tons of amazing content, research, and case studies out there of people who have built successful businesses and brands with a focus on creating consistent content. These success stories go from musicians to fashion to jewelry to food, sports, fitness, pretty much anything, even real estate. With this challenge, the first 90, I want to have a 100% music-focused challenge for musicians, performing artists, promoters, producers, pretty much anyone in the music industry. The first 90 challenge is a 13-week challenge to start creating a consistent piece of content on a weekly basis, at least once per week. You can do more, but only work with what you can do. Along with this challenge, we will have a private Facebook group called the First 90 Making It with Chris G Challenge. There will also be tons of information in this Facebook group, from resources to articles, success stories, videos, and a ton more. And along with this journey, I will be doing weekly Facebook Lives where I will have a weekly lecture and a discussion just to check in with everyone and to answer your questions. The best thing about all of this, it doesn't cost you anything, and I won't try to sell you anything because I don't have any products to sell you. I'm focused on building a community, or making it community, and I'm just here to listen to what your questions and struggles are about the music industry. So to get started, go to makingitwithchrisg.com/the first 90 to sign up. We are starting the challenge on March 1st. If you're joining after March 1st, don't worry, we'll catch you up. Also, if you're watching on YouTube, hit the subscribe button. The link to the challenge will be in the description. If you're watching on Facebook, of course, it'll be above the video. We will have tons of videos and content on the YouTube channel to help give you more advice and more lessons and lectures about the music industry and marketing and all the things in the world of business. So let's start creating consistent content together. Join the first 90 challenge, and let's help you get one step closer to making it.